Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of your favorite kitchen, your one and only original meal cooking channel in Ghana and beyond guys. I'm super excited as always to bring to your doorstep another sumptuous, healthy and mouth-watering food recipe. And I know you can't wait to try this amazing recipe. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get it started. Recipe for today is waakye. Very soft, nice and delicious. I will begin by pouring good amount of water into my saucepan. Add in my soaked beans. It's washed very well. Cover it and turn on the heat to allow it to cook so it's tender or semi-cooked. Time to check up on my beans after cooking for some time, and it's semi-cooked. So at this point in time, I will be adding my waakye leaves. Cover it and allow it to cook to release the color into the beans. The purpose of this leaves is to bring out this reddish color that is going to change the color of the beans and rice cooked together. Time to add in my washed rice. Give it a gentle stir and add in your vegetable oil, just a little vegetable oil. The secret ingredient for this amazing recipe comes in at this point in time. That is my coconut milk, homemade coconut milk. You can get that on my channel as Hans Kitchen and you would love it. Give it a good stir to combine properly, after which you add in your salt to taste and cover it to cook. I like my waakye very soft, so I'll be adding in more water to soften it very well. Give it a good stir and cover it to bring it to a cook for some minutes. Checking up on my waakye after some few minutes. Give it a good stir and remove your waakye leaves and put it aside and cover it with a clean foil and allow the steam to cook it so it's soft or tender. So ladies and gentlemen, finally my waakye is ready. Finally, it's about to go down. Finally, it's about to go down. So I'm giving it a good stir. So I wish I will be turning off the heat. Guys, if at this point in time you think I deserve a thumbs up, then what are you waiting for? click on the subscribe button to join this amazing family where some short food recipes are brought to you at your doorsteps. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end. Don't forget to like, share, try this amazing recipe at home. Let me know your feedbacks in the comment section below. See you with another video. Bye guys.